Now we'll take a look at the Lace Generator tool, a powerful utility that lets you create procedural shoelaces directly from Bezier curves. This tool includes several profile presets as well as a custom profile option, giving your models a clean, production-ready finish. Start by selecting any Bezier curve object that defines your lace flow. Choose from the available presets or input a custom geometry. Then click Apply Lace to generate your lace object. After pressing Apply, turn up the curve resampling and adjust the scale. The lace begins to take form, built entirely from a single curve object. Every parameter is fully customizable. Color, normal direction, tilt, and shading controls all live in the UI panel. For deeper control, open the SP Key Lace material in the Shader Editor. Here you can tweak color masks, tangent space normals, intensity, and height maps, refining the surface detail and finish. Let's look at the profile presets. The first option is round, perfect for traditional laces. Next, oval, which gives a flattened elliptical cross-section. And then, flat, ideal for athletic laces or straps. To adjust how the lace follows the curve, experiment with the normal settings, Z up, minimal twist, or free. Each affects how the profile rotates and aligns along the path. Play with those parameters to understand how the curve's orientation influences the final mesh. Now for custom profiles. From the drop-down, choose Custom Lace, then pick your own Bezier profile using the eyedropper or menu. Click Apply Lace, and a new procedural lace object is generated using that custom shape. It behaves just like the preset laces, but now fully matches your unique design. A Lace Generator tool makes it easy to add authentic detail and polish to your footwear models. Flexible, customizable, and fast. A small curve becomes a fully realized lace system with just a few clicks.